Good day, guys. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our weekly analysis. So it seems like, as I'm going to start with US oil, please, guys, smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. What I see is on US oil, I see that the market is actually pushing like crazy high, and what I like is something that we talked about on our previous analysis. If you missed that, please go back, try to check that, because you're going to find how did the market reach this level and why we drawn these things here. Because I think when the last time, I think on Friday, we talked about something like the support area here, and guess what, the market is creating, they say, similar move, and it's broken that previous support or previous high. So what are we going to expect? We expect the market to come back, respect this area several times before we see the market pushing up. Why? Because we are on an uptrend. It means what we expecting, actually we expecting only buy position or a long positions only. Why? Because when you follow the uptrend or the trend lines, it's quite easy to to buy or to sell on a downtrend, and mostly the market is going to be in your favor. So let's go on a daily time frame. Why? Because this, it's a weekly analysis, guys. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So now we are here. Remember, the market since reached the lowest low here, which was the support area or the support zone. Since that time, the market was just pushing to the upside, and even now the market is on a bullish momentum. So when we say you should follow the trend, we mean something like this. It means from this day here, I think it's from December, the market was just going up. It means what you were going to do is you were just going to do what? To buy only. No more confusing yourself. If the market is on a downtrend, you only, what do? You only sell. Why? Because the market is going to be in your favor like 80% of the time. So it means you're not going to stress with so many things. What you do is you just wait for the market to come a little bit lower, to give you that higher low, then you just enter. Simple as that. I don't think maybe there's much that I can add on US oil, but what I can see is the market is still on bullish momentum, but don't buy around that level at the moment. Wait for the market to create another higher low. At the moment, the market is here. So yes, last Friday the market was here. So what you can do is wait for the market to come back again, respect the previous high or the previous resistance before pushing up. Unless if maybe the market is going to change the direction and break this area as a resistance and break even this support area here, then we can say the market is time. It's time for the market to go low. But at the moment, the market is still on a bullish momentum, which is fine. As long, and what I love is the trend is quite clear. You can see that this thing is just pushing up. Don't confuse yourself. So let's move to gold. Gold also gave us some very nice moves, and what I love is, if you still remember, I was talking about this resistance for some time, and it seems like gold already broke out of that. Do you see that? You remember when we say there's a resistance around this area where we think maybe gold is going to respect, because every time when the market reached that area, we saw the market selling. Even here. But at the moment, we reached that area and the market just moved above that. So it means from tomorrow, we expecting maybe the market to close above. And when the market is going to give us maybe the new candlestick on above this resistance, it's where we can do it. We can buy. Remember, this was a wedge that I was just talking about, that maybe the market is going to break that. But it seems like the market did break that, because this wedge, you can see this wedge was just perfect. You can see. So now the market moved above that. And remember, this is a daily time frame, which means if we go to a bit smaller time frame, we will see a few candlesticks closing above this resistance, which means the market is on full blast. We are on bullish momentum. So yeah, I think it's quite easy. Don't think about selling around this area unless if the market is giving us the fake breakout, then we can say maybe the market might come back again and continue respecting this area. But at the moment, we don't see that. So the best thing that you can do is come back tomorrow, watch the analysis again. Maybe we'll see what happened here. Maybe the market will be going down or the market will be going up. Simple as that. So let's move to the next one, which is what happened. Okay, let's see. France 40. We don't do France 40 at the moment. So we are on German 40 or German 30. So we are on a daily time frame also. So what we see here is it's quite simple because the market is playing around our support area. Remember the market on Friday or Thursday, the market was very high around this area. Then the market decided to respect that area, which is great because it's the area which I was preaching about for some time. You can see the market respected this area, and then the market reached this area, also respected that. Even now, the market respected that area. That's why we see the market going lower. So it means at the moment we can say the market, yes, did reach, even if maybe the market did not reach maybe few pips or few ticks before the support area. But remember, this area is where we're supposed to buy actually. And I see the market tried to run away from there. It means early Monday, tomorrow, we should have some at least buy positions around this area. Maybe the market is going to push to the upside, unless if maybe the market is going to break this support area. It's where we're going to get out. Then maybe the market might continue selling. Remember, this is just is showing us that actually the market is still under the bearish momentum. Why? Because you can see the trend is going lower, and now we are very close to our support area, which makes this thing a wedge, where it means the market might start to consolidate until we see a breakout, maybe breaking the resistance, or maybe breaking the support area. But around this area we can still buy and sell. Why? Because now I'm on a daily time frame. If we go on a 4-hour time frame, this gap here is quite big, so we can still make something. But just know that when the market reaches this area, you are out, or maybe you are on the favor of the market. Because if, let's say, maybe you bought and then maybe you leave the market up to here, sometimes it's going to take all your profit because the market might go very low, very crazy, and very fast, something like that. So let's move to the next one, which is US30. You can support the channel by clicking the join button below and get exclusive content and daily analysis. You can get free stock and up to 3,500 each, and access zero commission professional trading platform. Link in my description. So on US30, it's also quite similar. It's also quite similar to what we saw on GERMAN40. So on US30, since the market is trying to come back again, which shows that the bearish momentum, guys, it's way too strong. Remember, around this area, we have like that strong support area. It still exists even now. So if maybe, because I see that the market is trying to break this counter support, if that is broken, it means our second support is going to be this one, and we need to rely on that, right? So what is going to happen here is, if it's like this, we're going to see if maybe the market is going to continue selling, but it seems like the market tried to bounce back very quickly around this area. But if maybe the market is going to respect this area, we will see the market pushing to the upside. Remember, the market is still like under bearish momentum, but around with the US data, I think it's much better, unlike what we see on NASDAQ, because NASDAQ is like seriously selling. But what I see is it seems like US30 is trying to recover from that. So which means we can say, let's wait for tomorrow and see if the market is above this support area or this support area. If it's going to be above that, I'm just going to continue buying. But if not, it means the market will be going lower, and we will be expecting to buy around this area. Those who sell, they can still continue selling up to this area, like 33,750, I think, or maybe let's say 34,000. It's where I think the market might respect. Actually, is the support area. Then maybe from there we might see the market pushing up if we're going to see the market breaking this area. But I think the market already broke that. But we just need to see that tomorrow. If the market is going to play below this support area, then we can say, yeah, now the market is going to the lower side, because the market already is no longer supporting our horizontal support area. I hope you understand that. So let's go to NASDAQ. I hope you're going to smash that subscribe button, guys. I hope you're going to do that. To join our winning team, get VIP signals for only $150. You pay once, then you're done. It's lifetime. And also you can get MT4 and MT5 signal indicator, which is going to provide you with the signals. Bye. Support the channel. Let's support the channel. So now we are on NASDAQ 100. What's really happening on NASDAQ 100? We see that the market has been like seriously selling off from this area. Actually, from December, you can see from this area, the market is going down. But we can see that actually the market is trying to push to the upside. But even if it's trying to push to the upside, we had some sort of a resistant area, which the market was able to break. And when the market breaks that, we still had another resistant area, which was here. Then the market respected that. Again, the market came for the second time and respected that. That's why we see the market going lower. And once the market broke, you can see the market broke this area. It means what we expect here is, I'm expecting the market to go a little bit lower and reach like 13,800. Maybe from this area, it's where we can say, you know what, from this area, maybe the market is going to find the support area and push to the upside, or maybe the market can continue to sell. Why? Because everything is possible, guys. Everything is possible. What do we see? The economic news that we see, they're not really in favor of tech stock. That's why we see NASDAQ keep going lower and lower. But we're expecting maybe some sort of recovery, even if it doesn't recover now. As the market now is on this bearish momentum, now it's our time to do what? To continue with the trend. As long as the trend is going lower, we continue to sell. If the trend is up, we continue to buy. So on this one, we can maybe buy. We don't know. We can continue with the trend and try to sell when the market is going lower. But when it's here, don't continue with it. Wait for it to break this area. Then you can continue with the sell, or maybe you can wait for the market to reach this resistance before you can say you can sell. Maybe for us to buy, we can say, let's wait for the market to come back, break this resistance. Then we will be sure that the market is going up, or maybe around this support area. Why? Because the market really supported that area. So they respected that area for several times. I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days straight the market respects in that area. So I have confidence that maybe the market is going to respect that. If not, maybe we will see a breakout. Simple as that. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Tomorrow is still another day for daily analysis. Maybe tomorrow, if you come back again, we will continue with the analysis and see what's really happening here. Thank you, guys. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Bye.